Hey, Eric here with Tennessee Trail Guides. We just finished the Black and Red Trail at Marcella Smith Park, right south of Nashville, probably about 20 minutes, about 15 minutes north of Franklin, Tennessee. It was a really fun trail. Definitely beginners can do that one. There are some inclines that I would think are a little bit more challenging if you haven't been hiking before. But overall, though, it was a very easy, smooth hike. The Black Trail was a nice trail through the woods. Got to see a lot of nature and trees there. And it was just really nicely shaded. So even on sunny days, it's pretty relaxing to go and do the Black Trail. The red one is quite an incline, but not too bad. Maybe only one or two bad parts there. Especially towards the end, there's a really steep one. But nothing that I don't think anyone couldn't handle. So the gear is your basic gear. You can even wear running shoes on there. Saw plenty of people running up and down. If you really wanted to have the extra ankle support for the incline, then hiking boots would be really nice. But other than that, really easy trail. Recommend it for everyone, really. Even if you've never been hiking before, it's a really easy one. Not really many payoffs though, like not really many beautiful views that I saw. It was just a really nice relaxing stroll through the woods at that point. At the end of the Red Trail though, there is a nice little picnic area pretty much where they have a bunch of benches that you can sit, relax, and just enjoy, the outdoors there. So I hope you enjoyed the footage. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks.